The media fraternity in Manipur has warned of intense agitation against mishandling of media persons by police last night. According to a report, Imphal Police Station officer in charge Bobby Konthaujam and his escort accosted and mishandled a team of media persons at Kaishampat Junction, Kaishamlaikai around 10:30 p.m. when they went there to cover a report regarding the arrest of a Muslim woman along with rupees 55,790 from the locality. The Manipur People's Democratic Front has expressed grief over the BT Road building collapse incident, which claimed one life and left 3 others injured yesterday. A statement of the front said it also shares the grief of the bereaved family. A youth who was injured in police firing in a communal clash at southern Assam's HAILAKANDI succumbed to his injuries last evening at Silchar Medical College Hospital. The deceased has been identified as Jasim Hussain, 26. He was admitted to Silchar Medical College Hospital in a critical condition after receiving serious bullet injuries in the police firing. At least 15 persons, including 3 police constables, were injured in the communal clash erupted yesterday in Hailakandi town. Nagaland's opposition leader T.R. ZELIANG has expressed displeasure over inordinate delay in signing final agreements between the NSC and IM and central government. ZELIANG yesterday said that undue delay in arriving at a final settlement to a NAGA problem is disheartening despite signing of the ceasefire agreement between the centre and the NSC and IM in 1997 and holding of several rounds of peace talks in the last 21 years. Breaking his silence on a controversial comment by Overseas Congress Chief Sam PITRODA about the 1984 anti-Sikh riots, Congress President Rahul Gandhi yesterday asked Mr. PITRODA to apologize. The 1984 anti-Sikh riots have been a sensitive issue for the Congress and is likely to damage its prospects in Punjab that votes on May 12 and for the May 19 polling. ETIHAD Airways PJSC, which holds 24% stake in Jet Airways, yesterday submitted a binding bid to acquire additional minority stake in Jet Airways in the bank-led resolution plan. Lenders had put 75% stake of Jet Airways on sale. ETIHAD's bid came just before the end of the deadline for receipt of binding bids invited by SBI Caps on behalf of lenders. PEPSICO has withdrawn all its cases against 9 Gujarat farmers who grew its protected potato variety used to make Lay's chips, including cases seeking damages of rupees 1.05 crore each from small farmers. Hailing these as a victory, farmers groups yesterday demanded that the state and centre take a clear stand that plant variety registrations are subject to farmers' rights to grow and sell such registered varieties as long as they do not sell branded seed. Scuffles broke out in Hong Kong's legislature today between pro-democracy lawmakers and those loyal to Beijing over an extradition law that will extend Beijing's powers over the financial hub. One person got injured and was rushed to the hospital. The former British colony is trying to enact rules that would allow people accused of a crime, including foreigners, to be extradited from the city to countries without formal extradition agreements, including mainland China.